morning, everyone. Today I'm breaking down GBPAUD. I'm going to show you what trade I'm looking for and my reasoning for taking this trade. Let's start here with our monthly time frame. We can see that price created a floor around here. Price pushed up, created another floor, pushed up, created another floor, pushed up, created another floor, pushed up here to this high, and this was the last floor, right? So this is the last high and then we notice here that price came over here and never closed above this high. So these two levels are our most recent levels on this monthly time frame. So on the weekly, we see that price came back to this level, rejected one time, two times, and then we had this rejection here, another rejection here. So when I saw this here, I pulled out this inverted head and shoulder tool, and then I looked to see if price would maintain this floor. Then I'd look to see if price will continue on up. So here we had a breakout, pullback, and we had a continuation here. But this continuation led up into this weekly ceiling, which paused the bullish momentum, right? So on our daily time frame, we see that this here is a floor. This is our last ceiling. So price can do whatever it wants in between this level, in between these two levels, before continuing on. Let's now drop to the H4. So on this H4 time frame, we do see here that the price did break out to the downside, pull back, and now we're attempting to follow through that breakout. If price can maintain this level, then we could look to take it back to the upside. So on my H1 time frame, I see here that the price did actually create resistance and broke out of that resistance here, pull back, and now we're back at that floor. So if price can take me back up, then I'd look to continue on. I would need to break out of this resistance level, break out of this momentum trend line, and then we could look for a potential move back to the upside of 162 pips. Now, when I got in this trade, I got in off of this floor because I know that this was the lowest point that the price came to. So when the price came back down here, and knowing that this is a weekly, monthly floor, and our H4 is still in an uptrend, basically, it didn't complete the transition. So I'm taking the trade thinking that the price can continue on from this level, right? I'm currently up 16 pips. I have a 5 lot and a 2 lot on this trade, so 7 lots total. If I get 175 pips from this trade, let me pull out my calculator. That would be 175 times $70 per pip. So you'd be looking for $12,250 on this trade. And my risk on the trade is at 700, right below 700. So I'm risking 23 pips on this trade. So I'm risking about 1,400 bucks, around 1,500 bucks on this trade. All right. So this is my breakdown here. You can see that we're currently up 20 pips. We just have to continue pushing up. Once we get up about 50 pips, I'll look to take some partial profits off the table. This chart breakdown has been brought to you by Universal Trading Group. Let's make some money together. I'm here to help you guys.